Hello everyone, welcome to LetsDevOps. My name is Sumit, and in this tutorial we will learn how to manually deploy and run Python wheel package on Azure Databricks. So in this discussion I'll be following this article. You can find the link in the video description. So to understand the flow, in this we will understand the process of installing the wheel package on a Databricks and how we can run it to see the desired output. So if you see here, as a data scientist or MLOps engineer, we try to create a package, and if you want to run that on a Databricks, we need to create a workspace. We should have the compute and the workflow created, and once we trigger the workflow, it should run the package, and based on the entry point, it will display the output. So as a prerequisite, first of all, you should have this wheel package created. If you don't know how to create, you can just follow this link. This is to create the Python wheel file. If you have already, that's fine. And the second, you should have a Azure account because we are going to create a Azure Databricks, right? So let's follow this. So I'll just log into the Azure portal. So here I will just go ahead and create a Databricks. Let me expand it. I hope it is visible. Now I'll create a Databricks. Test demo. And then I will go to the Okay, I'll just pause the video until it gets created. Now the Databricks has been created. I'll go to the workspace now. And in the second step, we have to create a compute. So compute is nothing but maybe the instance that will help to run the job. Yeah. Now I'll go to the compute here. And I'll just try to create a simple compute. And then I'll just run a create compute. I can maybe, if you want to change the name, you can just change the name from here, and then let's create it. So this also will take some time, so I'll just pause the video. Now cluster is created and it is up and running. If you see the state, it is running. So let's go to the instruction again. Now the step 3 is we need to create a Databricks job. Yeah? So we need to go to the workflow and create a job. So let's do that. So I came to workflow and here is option to create a job. Okay, so maybe this is the name, maybe DS project I will give. Sample or DS demo project, and the type we need to select as a wheel because we created a package as a wheel, and the package name we have is the ds_project, and the entry point is hello world. And since we created our own cluster, we just try to use our own. And here this is very important, so we need to upload the wheel package here, the one which we created in the part 1. So I'll just go to here, go to the dbfs, go to the drop jar here. So I go to the project ds project. Under the distribution, I can see this is my wheel file. I'll pick it up, I'll add it, and then I'll create a task. So once the task is created, we just need to run it, right? So now here we have a run now. So once I click on the run, I can go to the job. If you see here, this has been triggered, so it's currently running. So again I pause the video, and once it completes, I will show the result. Now the execution is completed. Now you see here the run has been successful, and when I click, I see this is the output, which we also saw when we ran it locally in the part 1, right? So that's all with this demo, right? Yeah. So now we see here my world, hello world, my name is Sumit. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we will try to cover how to set this whole thing in a pipeline using Azure DevOps and Databricks. So thanks for watching again, and see you in the next video. Thank you.